The Toyota Tacoma was supposed to be immortal. For 30 years, that was the deal. You buy it, you abuse it, and it runs forever. But the 2025 model has broken that promise. If you are planning to sign the papers today, you need to stop. You aren't buying a tank anymore. You are buying a liability. Mechanics are opening up these new engines and finding red flags that should terrify any long-term owner. The legendary reliability you're paying for might not exist in this truck. Most people look at the shiny new tech and assume the quality is the same. They assume a Toyota is always a Toyota, but underneath the metal, the engineering philosophy has completely changed. The lazy, bulletproof V6 is dead. It has been replaced by a high-stress, high-pressure turbo system. On paper, it's faster and stronger, but in the real world, it is working twice as hard to do the same job. The old engine was built like a marathon runner. This new engine is a sprinter, and sprinters burn out. We're already seeing the cracks form. Reports are surfacing of transmission struggles and potential failure points that never existed before. A Tacoma in the shop with low mileage used to be a joke. Now it is becoming a reality. You are paying a premium price to be a guinea pig for new technology, and the financial risk is massive. When a simple V6 breaks, it's cheap to fix. When a complex turbo system fails out of warranty, it is catastrophic for your wallet. You are walking into a maintenance trap that gets more expensive every year. If you lease your trucks and return them in 3 years, go ahead. The new model drives beautifully. But if you want a truck to last 20 years, this isn't it. The smartest buyers are actually looking backwards. A low-mileage 2023 model is the last of the true forever trucks. It might be slower, but it will still be running when the new ones are waiting for parts. So you have to decide, do you trust a stressed-out engine to survive the long haul? Or is the age of the invincible Toyota officially over? Tell me if you are risking it or keeping your old truck in the comments.